अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज आप मेरे साथ लर्न करेंगे फ़न विद नंबर्स। सबसे पहले आपको ये एक्टिविटी के लिए जो मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड है उसमें हमारे पास है सीज़र, गम स्टिक, कलर मार्कर्स एंड आल्सो अ फ्रूट. This fruit name is orange. Okay. Now you have arranged the numbers. First of all, you will have to find number 1. Where is number 1? Find out. Students, tell me where is number 1? Find out. Come on. Wow, this one is? No. This one is number 1? No. Okay, I have find it. This is number 1. First of all, we will have to arrange it. Number 1. Now tell me what's come after number 1. Number 2. Where is number 2? This one? No. This one? No. This one, yes, we will have to find it. Number 2. 1 and 2. Now tell me what's come after 2? Number 3. Where is number 3? Hurry up, hurry up. Find it. This is number 3. Okay. 3. Good. Now tell me where is number 4? What comes after number 3? Number 4. This one is number 4? No. This one is? No. Where is number 4? This one. This one is number 4. Number 4. What comes after number 4? The next number is number 5. Where is number 5? Yes, we will have to find it number 5. Oh wow, next will be number 6. What comes after number 6? Number 7. This one is number 7. What comes after 7? Number 8. Where is number 8? This one is number 8. No. This one? Yes. Number 8. And this one is number 9. And our last and final number is number 10. Okay. Now read with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, your home task is also this. आपने ऐसे ही प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो अपना रेडी करना है और फिर मुझे चेक करवाना है. ओके, so start your work now, kids. I'm waiting for your work. Okay.